So you know that this gal loves a good capsule wardrobe, but even I know that sometimes they can be an absolute pain in the ass. So I have an alternative for you. May even be a better one.
All eyes on me, brand new drip is what they see. These diamonds on my teeth, brand new whip is what they see. Yeah, all eyes on me, brand new drip is what they see.
So why do people love capsule wardrobes so much? Maybe it's the simplicity and ease, the timeless and versatile style. If you're somebody that wants that efficient seasonal wardrobe, maybe you're somebody that has limited storage space, or maybe you're somebody like me that likes to break down different focuses within your wardrobe. Now, some reasons why you may not want a capsule wardrobe is lack of self-expression. It's a rigid structure that you really have to work within certain parameters with, and it doesn't necessarily make it as easy to account for our ever-changing tastes and trends. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I have made a lot of videos on capsule wardrobes that address just these things. However, I fully get it. I think the tricky thing with capsule wardrobes is just the maintenance of them, just maintaining them, because you always have to be very strategic, very intentional, very mindful of how you move forward with those. You have to be very intentional with the new pieces that you're bringing in, with pieces that you're taking out, because every piece sort of works within a puzzle. And if you remove that piece, you need to make sure that the piece that replaces that fits within that puzzle. That's sort of where I can understand where people aren't really into the capsule wardrobe. I have a confession to make. I personally do not use a capsule wardrobe method within my wardrobe. I do, however, use capsule wardrobe focuses or module capsule wardrobes, which is basically just little micro focuses within my wardrobe. So what do I use instead of the capsule wardrobe to still maintain that efficiency? The pillar and pot method. The pillar and pot method is an approach to building a versatile and stylish wardrobe that balances timeless foundation pieces, the pillars, with bold personality-driven accents, the pops. So this isn't some crazy new concept. People have been using this strategy for decades. This is just my personal analogy on how to better visualize and communicate this method for ongoing execution for myself and for others. You know I love a good analogy. So let's visualize.
I'ma bring it back, like turn up the track, like let the bass drop. I'm living this life right, forget about the past life. Let me get jiggy, dog.
So the pillars are our guideposts for our foundation to the whole structure, which in this case is our wardrobe. Pillars are made up of key classic pieces, quality classic pieces that have stood the test of time, hence pillar. You know, get it? But not only that, these are pieces that work with every single style type, making them extremely versatile. These are strong pieces that can have anything built off of them. Depending on who you are and your preferences, you'll have a range of pillars. I personally have 6 pillars, 6 different categories: bottoms, tops, layers, outerwear, footwear, and accessories. But if you wanted, you could even take this method to further break down each of those categories as well. But that is a story for another day. Let's not get too crazy today. So within each pillar, you're going to break down the key classic pieces. As an example, within your bottoms pillar, you are going to include your preferred bottoms. For me, it might be, straight fit jeans, well-fitted jeans, black tailored trousers. For my tops, it's going to be white button-up shirt, black button-up shirt, white t-shirt, black t-shirt. You get the gist. The goal, like building a structure, building a home, or any sort of building, you need to set up that foundation, strong supporting pillars, before you do anything else. So that is what the goal is here, is to prioritize and build those pillars first and always be maintaining those, because once those are established, they're sorted, you're sorted. So these will be the foundation to your wardrobe that you can continually build off of for years and years, making it super easy to rotate around them, sort of ebb and flow around them, making it work for wherever you may be in your life. Which brings us to the pops.
I'ma bring it back, like turn up the track, like let the bass drop.
living this life right, forget about the past life.
Pops are the elements that inject individuality and flair. These might include statement accessories, vibrant colors, or trendy items. These reflect your personality and keep your style fresh. Pops can be super fun, but with that, you still need to be extremely intentional when bringing these pieces into your wardrobe, because if you're not, it can very quickly become very chaotic. Pops should be selective, only choosing the pieces that truly inspire you and your style. Because the hope is that even if these are trendy pieces, bold pieces, statement pieces, that they won't be fleeting, that these are still gonna be a staple within your wardrobe. And by being intentional and mindful of only choosing the pieces that you truly, truly love and really reflect your personal style as well as inspire it, that will then allow for you to have that sustaining relationship with those pieces. But the beauty of these pieces is they don't make up the structure. They're just there to inspire, to add the aesthetic, the personality, and it also then allows for you to, down the road, if you do decide, this doesn't quite fit with my lifestyle or my preferences anymore, then you can easily change them out because they're not a part of that structure. So what's the point of all of this? Is what a lot of you, I'm sure, are asking, like, why should I be bothered? And this method is really just if you want the benefits of a capsule wardrobe, but with that flexibility and that growth, but still having those pieces that circle back to each other and still maintain that efficiency and effortless style. It's still all about being slow and intentional with our wardrobe, but with a little more fluid movement versus that linear structure of a capsule wardrobe. Every great structure begins with a strong foundation, and your wardrobe is no different, with the pillars holding everything steady and the pops bringing the design. The pillar and pop method helps you build a style and wardrobe that's as timeless as it is uniquely yours. The best part? You're the architect.
Gonna do it like I do it the way I want. Ain't nobody gonna do it like I do it the way I want.
Trip by the dance floor, everybody get low, go and get wild and do it some more. Here for a good time, not a very long time. Tick-tock time, moving fast like yo. Have it come true like the way that I rock, then we're gonna link soon. Had to bust a move, ain't nobody can do it better than I do. Boss move with the power like ghost. One thing we not gonna do, our boss.